Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone and welcome to the Git Live season. Today I stream is specially for those who are interested in Launchpool and new tokens. We shall be talking about the Tokyo Game Token TGT, which is now available on Git.io Launchpool. It's also parts of bonus tasks. So by participating, you can not only aid in TGT but also win extra reward. Let's get started and explore what TGT is, what this project is about, and how you can be part of it. Okay, everyone. Okay. Gate.io, uh, Gate Launch Pool, newly added Tokyo Games tokens, TGT Stack, BTC, Ethereum GTGT to error reward delivered in real time. Durations time 21 2025. Tokyo Games token TGT will be launched on Gate Launch Pool Stack BTC Ethereum BTC TGT to earn TGT tokens reward every hour. Airdrop details stacking period 21 May 2025 at 12 May to 31 2025 at 12 UTC. Okay. Okay, guys. So we are discussing Gate Launch Pool Tokyo. Airdrop details stacking period 21 May to 31 May 12 UTC. Total staking reward to 525 5 to 50,000 TGT. Stacking pool BTC, Ethereum, and TGT. Total stacking reward and price pool and horse yearly rewards can cap per users and maximum stacking amounts per users and minimum stacking amount per users. Okay, stacking to Aaron no. And unlocking rules 100% unlock gate launch pool allows users to stack early. You can stack your exists before the project officially launches, ensuring you start earning reward immediately once mining being reward distributions. The systems will distribute tokens reward to users sport accounts every hole based on the proportions of exhaust stacked by each user's gate launch pool FAQ. And next step we are discussing FAQ launch pool. Everyone, welcome join my live channel. How are you today? Good morning and have a nice day. So guys, this time we are discussing Gate Launch Pool Tokyo. What is Gate Launch Pool? Next discussion, what is Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT or other tokens to earn early airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform of affords you capturing market opportunities. Okay, and next question number two. How can I participate in Gate Launch Pool? Okay. First, log into your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your ISA. Stack the participations guide. How to participate in Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking airdrop from where users can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn holy airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Stack to error. Know how to join Git Launch Pool and stack to error. Number one, log into your Git account and navigate to Launch Pool. App Home Launch Pool, WebKick Error Launch Pool. Choose stacking pool you want to join. Click stack and enter stacking amount. Click confirm and complete stacking and view reward in reward history after successful stacking. Okay, how to stack to a run and how to stack to a run. Notes: please complete identity verifications before completing launch pool to enhance the security of your account and exist. Okay, the stacked exhaust will be transferred to simple and defaults in these options in long unchecked. The stacked exhaust will be redeemed into sport exhaust. They will they will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour, and you can increase your stacking just at any time. Please mention stable stacking amounts to ensure mining reward. Okay, and frequently asked questions. Okay, frankly, ask questions. If you any say questions, please. Okay, guys. Question number three. Which coins can I ask? Uh, which which coins can I stack in Git launch pool? Yes, the token eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Git launch pool to view more details. And question number four: how many tokens will be rewards? Purely staking rewards individual test one whole via value stacking amount, total pool stacking amount, multiple hourly reward pool, and the platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour and take the average stacking amounts as the valid stacking amount. Okay, question number five: uh, how are how are reward distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amounts yearly, and token rewards are distributed to eligible users. Yearly earning will be distributed into user sport account. And when will the stack just be redeemed after the user redeemed in advance or the stacking is completed? The task is just will be transferred to simple errand by default. If this options is unchecked, the stacked just will be redeemed into sport just if the amount of redeemed just is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple errands, the just will be automatically transferred to sport assets. If simple errand does not support the claim of the redeemed tokens, the exhaust will also be automatically transferred to spot assets. ईगल आई माफ़ी है। ओके ओके, आपसे माफ़ी है ईगल आई, अभी तो कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिलता। ईगल आई, बड़े दिनों बाद एक मुझे प्रोजेक्ट मिला है। ओके, चुप रहो। And can number seven, can I redeem my stack as at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshot of personal stacking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stack amount. However, early be brave, chica. Thank you so much, Igalai. However, early redemptions may result in the loss accrued reward. Please mention stable stacking amount to ensure mining reward. In addition, each stacking pool imposes a daily redemptions limits. Individual users can only withdraw up to 3 times a day per pool. Please plan your redemptions carefully to maximize your reward and avoid any potential impact on your earnings. Okay, and question number 8. Question number 8: can I additional stacked exists? You can increase your stacked exist at any time. The more tokens you stack, the um, greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stacking reward. Okay, and question number 9: can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on at the same time, you can stack in different pools to receive new tokens mining reward for multiple projects. Each stacking pool needs to be stacked separately. If you only stack just in pool, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward of new tokens. Okay, and question number 10. Question number 10: what is the maximum mining rewards I can receive? The only reward hard cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Question number 11: will stacking exhaust in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level. No exhaust stacked in the gate launch pool will be included in the exhaust holding circle calculations for hodler airdrop launch pool launchpad and VIP privilege. And question number 12. Question number 12: what will happens to my funds if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your stacking principles will be automatically recommended redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed. आशिक, पानी तो पिला दो। Your last interest will be distributed on the whole after the end time. The interest distributions before the ending will not be affected, and about annual percentage rate. When question number one, and next step about annual percentage rate APR. APR question number one, when the reward coin in the is the stacked coins. APR. Total reward released in the last row, total stack multiple 365, multiple 24, multiple 100%. Okay, and question number two, when the reward coin is not the stacked coin, APR total reward released in the last horse X close X closing price of the rewards coin of the last horse total stack, multiple closing price of the stack coins of the last horse, multiple 365, multiple 24, multiple 100%. The APR is an estimate and for references only. The reference is only the actual annualized return for a return you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is updated hourly. Okay, how to participate? Log in your Gate account and complete identity verification. Navigate launch pool. Okay, identity verifications. Okay, and launch pool. Hold a list. Navigate to launch pool. Launch pool quick stack Aaron potential new tokens stack 588.17 m and 28 point 14 b fund raised and 5.19 m plus participants and 1.82 m estimate total reward and Alpool, TGT, and BTC, Ethereum's TGT pool. Yes, this is a TGT pool. TGT pool APR 396.46% and participant for 4118 and total stack for 6468 191.91 TGT. Okay. About launch pool, what is launch pool, how can I participate? I'm already discussed you. What is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where users can stack in just provided liquidity to earn and rewards on new project tokens. User can look specifies tokens in the launch pool to receive corresponding project tokens rewards. How can participate in launch pool? First log in your Git account and navigate the launch pool page. Then choose the project when you want to participate in and stack your exhaust. Which coins can I stack in launch pool? The tokens eligible or for uh, first how can I participate in launch pool, and third question, which coins can I stack in launch pool? The tokens eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of launch pool to know more details. How many tokens will be rewards? Only staking rewards, individual stake latest one horse value stacking amounts and total pool stacking amount amounts, multiple hourly reward pool. Systems will stack snapshots of individual stacking amounts each hour and take the average as the valid stacking amounts. How are reward distributed? Systems will take snapshots of individual stacking amounts and distribute token reward to eligible user. Hourly earning will be distributed into user sport account. And when will stack assets be redeemed? After the user redeems in advance or the stacking complete the stacking. Okay. After the user redeem is advanced or the stacking on completed, the stack adjust will be transferred to simple errand by default. If this options is unchecked, the stacked adjust will be redeemed into spot adjust if the amount of redeemed adjust is too small and does not meet the minimum subscriptions amount of simple errand. The adjust will be automatically transferred to sport adjust. If simple errand does not support the subscription uh, of the redeemed tokens, the adjust will also be automatically transferred to sport adjust. Okay, and question number 7. Can I redeem my stacked adjust at any time? The systems will stack multiple snapshots of personal stacking amount each hole and calculated the valid stacking amount. Uh, However, early redemptions might result in the loss of accrued reward. Please mention stable stack amount to ensure mining rewards. Number 8. Can I add additional stack adjust? You can increase your stack adjust at any time. The more token stack, the greater is your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is read you will not longer receive stacking rewards. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on at same times, you can stack in different pools to receive new tokens mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stacking pool needs to be stacked separately. If you only stack adjust on pool A, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly hard cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, not further stacking rewards will be guaranteed. Will stack exist in the launch pool impact my VIP level? No, is a stack in the launch pool will be included in the adjust holding calculations for startup free airdrop pre-orders prime and VIP privilege. Okay.
How to join Gate Launch Pool. One click stake. Earn new tokens. Arlie. What is Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, ETH.
Some network problem.
USDT or other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and new coins.
This page is not open. So
With low entry barriers and high APR, it's the ultimate platform.
okay. No problem. We are discuss about launch pool. Launch pool potentials and new tokens. Uh, and exclusive stacking. Hold list 0.00001 BTC, 0.0003 Ethereum's 1 GT click stack. Exclusive stacking limit privilege for VIP user. VIP 5 and above users enjoy exclusive stacking limits when participating in launch pool with up to 500% stacking limits bonus. Okay, and Ethereum pool maximum stack amount per users VIP 0, VIP 4, 300 Ethereums and 10 BTC pool maximum stacking amounts per users VIP 5 430 450 ethereums plus 50% 15 BTC plus 50% VIP 6 600 ethereum plus 100% 20 BTC and plus 100% VIP 7 78 ethereums and plus 160% and 26 BTC plus 160% and VIP 8 20 ethereum plus 240% and 334 BTC plus 20 to 240% VIP 9 130 135 0 1350 1030 350 ethereums plus 350 percent 45 BTC plus 35 50% 350% VIP 10 and VIP 16 1800 Ethereum plus 5000 percentage 16 BTC plus 5000 500 BTC project informations TGT will be Web3 gaming to the next level as only platform featuring truly fun AAA game made in Japan by bringing various genres of games into the TGT ecosystem. We will convert gamers' patience patience into value and establish a sustainable token economy. Website Tokyo Tokyo Game tokens first Japanese AAA tokens by TGT, by Bybit, Binance, Gate.io, okay, Max Quick Swap, AAA to the next levels possible. Games are some things you can get lost in. However, Web3 game haven't reached the level yet. Okay. Web3 games are currently in development up until no new experience have been created in the form of game such as tokenomize and P2P. However, no title have been able to attain sustainable success. The only reason for this must be that they all lack the most important aspects required for any games to succeed, being generally fun to what this industry truly need right now is high quality games. Tokyo Games will take Web3 game to the next stage as the only platform that gathers generally fun AAA games created in Japan um, by collecting game of all genres on our unique chain and unique unique chain, and thereby converting the ethereums of game fans everywhere into real value. We will make sustainable tokens economics a reality. Okay. Partners. Games, Japan's number one mobile games, makes that once a number of powerful in-house IPs and Gumi. Who the world give me? Leading mobile game maker driving Japan's Web3 game. And Japanese tokens. Tokens. चुप करो काम करो बाद में बताऊंगी. Japan's first ever AAA game, exclusive tokens and blockchain. Okay, and the Tokyo Game tokens utilize Web3 and AAA games to target gamers everywhere, set to carve out a completely new economics zone unlike any that has come before. Okay, and number one, the AAA multi HIT models as a common tokens. The Tokyo Game tokens will be used to attract and develop multiple AAA games. These high quality games project will expand our economics reach while also diversifying risk. Okay. Number two, says tokens. The Tokyo Games token is developed on a priority blockchain technology and can be used across all game products. Its purpose extends by once merely expanding the economic zone. It will also enrich the user experience by bringing together the diverse collections of game. Alti Altitudes, utilities, uh, game. Okay, this is a game common Sorency. unit can be used on currency in blockchain schemes on the platform. And two, on chain items stacking by holding TGT user. Holding TGT users will be able to acquire on chains items that can be used in game. And governments betting and used voting used to facilities voting for governments or betting functions. Okay. And it by games triple games new games are new new pets. So new fashions. Okay. And fashions sh- shaped. Okay, new fashions shaped by games. Okay, okay, by games. Okay, tokens. Tokyo Best experience a new form of entertainment by combining Web3 and gaming, whether participating as players and NFT holders or bettors or there are various ways to get involved. Uh, join the championship where allied players clash and witness the intense battle firsthand. Okay. uh, Success game screen dynamic and stylish combat skins, the accelerations of defeating an opponent with a single shiny trader. Good morning, have a nice day. Good morning to dear. The under uh, the unpredictable twist in the battle. Your heart races with excitement. Okay. And best NFT, countless copies of a character are guaranteed from an NFT and used on battle by game players. The more the copied beast performance will in battles, the more the beast NFT holders will be rewarded, increasing the demand for NFTs. World 123 is Tokyo. It has been about 16 years since the sentient androids know as replacements begins. Axioms, what is the entry level for BTC? Welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? It has been about 16 years since the sentiment endured known as replacements begins. Uh, begins profiling in society in the virulent world of show business drivers by money and uh, desire a certain plan is beginning to unfold. And number three, characters the beast model of the represents census was originally developed as a bio endured for companionships. Nowadays, many units are employed as XENO, Kharat athletes constantly honing their skills in competitions and tournaments. And four, game screen dynamics and stylish combat skins the accelerations of defeating an opponent with a um, was single struck. The unpredictable twist in the battles makes your heart better made heart race with excitement. Okay, everyone. Looks look sorry look forward to it possible look forward to it a web 3 world that no one has over seen before is and the horizons waiting to be discovered. This is not just a promise but a glimpse into a futures filled the unparalleled uh, possibilities. Amazons are realms, viewers in visions and imaginations, marriage to uh, create experience by one's our videos dreams. Get ready because the journey is about to begin. Okay. Surrealist, hi dear sister, welcome, join my live channel. How are you? Good morning. Okay, Labs investment discolored. Good morning too. And Gate Labs investment disclosure. Gate Labs. Gate Labs did not invest in Tokyo Game tokens TGT. I'm fine, and you? I'm so good. I'm fine. देखो कम करने नहीं के क्या ना नहीं गालो मैं तो कहने तो मेरे कम देने ना आइता. Gate Labs did not invest in Tokyo Game tokens TGT. Notes. Okay, next notes. Gate Launch Police and oh, thank you so much, Surrealist. Love you too so much. Love you too. जी जी जी, चुप करो। छोड़ दिया, चुप करो अब। तुम्हें कम करने नहीं गल, मैं तेको नेड़े नहीं खड़े। आयशा, जाओ यहाँ से, उधर बैठो। Okay, guys, Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack. Uh, Thank you. A lot of thanks, Surrealist. Thank you so much. Join my live channel. Platform where users can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers. And please complete identity verifications before participating in Launch Pool to enhance the security of your account and invest. Okay, and number three, please adhere to the relevant rules of the events when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited. And occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualifications of the rewards where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version. The English version shall prevail. Okay, and number five, get results or rights to the final explanations. Number six, this event is not affiliated with the Apple Inc. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participations in these events, game or competitions. See the user agreements for further details on restricted locations. Okay. Risk warning. Risk warning. The project teams does not guarantee that tokens price will not lower than its initial sale price. Please invest with quotations and not invest by once your financial capacity. The crypto project is still uh, in its initial stage factor, including the potentials and underlying technology of the project and other related regularity activities might contribute to significant risk. Advanced technicals and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto assets investment. The market volatility is high and the price of tokens might fluctuate drastically and evaluate their inherent risk. Crypto is just investment, and the market volatility is high and the price of tokens might fluctuate drastically due to technical regulatory and marketing factors. User may not be able to withdraw all the purchased tokens due to technical issues of the project or gate. Okay. And May 21, 2025. Gateway to crypto trade over 38 hundred currencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take active actions. No, sign. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewards. Invite friends and it earns 40% commissions. Stay connected. Visit gate.io. Visit Gate's official websites. Download the Gate map app desktop and follow use in X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insight and transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of reserve. Everyone, welcome. Join my live channel. How are you today? Good morning and nice day. Okay, guys, I am missing the white paper, so some discussions, some we are looking white paper discussions. Tokyo Games token TGT Tokyo Game tokens TGT is in game tokens crypto is just issued by Play 3 Ltd. Token name Tokyo Game tokens ticker symbol TGT. Maximum numbers of issuance 1 billions and token user is your Play 3 Ltd. Okay, token issues Play 3 Ltd. Chain immutables ZKEVM contract addresses BSS and the future realized by TGT. uh, Web3 games to date have created a new experience as games such as tokens, economics, and the concepts of play to earn. However, any games titles have not achieved sustained success yet. This is because most of the exciting Web3 games missing the elements of generally fun to play, which we believe the most important aspect of game. What is TGT? What is what is TGT? TGT is the token in area of Web3 multiple triple A game. With these tokens, we will target all the game players and create a completely brand new tokens economics which we never had. And TGT utilized as common tokens attract and develop multiple triple A game. TGTs are common tokens which we can use for all games and products deployed on a proprietary chain. And utility of TGT, the following utilities are planned for TGT. Utilities details common currency holding can use TGT and payment currency in blockchain games on the platform and stacking by holding TGT holding can get on chain items which can be used for each game's title on the platform. Voting TGT is used for user voting, including governance and bidding functions. Next, token economics. Visiting schedules, team development 15.00%, advisors 0.23%, foundational stakeholders 2.15%, ecosystem growth pool 40.00%, and airdrop market foundations fund 21.35%. Okay, and vesting scale should team development, advisors, foundationals, game products planned to be launched on TGT ecosystem for product Tokyo Beast. Tokyo Beast official link, official websites, officials XCN, official XGP, official Discord, and white paper. Okay. Update history data, update history. Game products planned to be launched on TGT ecosystem. 2025 10 to 28 newly created published white papers, and 19 2025 update token economics, and 21 2025 added betting schedule, and TGT contract addresses game products planned to launch to GT ecosystem. Okay, this is a white paper on TGT token launch pool project. Okay. Once again, I repeat you. gateway to crypto. Trade over 3,800 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. And take action now. Sign up and claim up to 110,000 in welcome rewards in white friends and earn 40% and earn 40% commissions. Stay connected. Visit Gate.io official websites. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram communities to discuss trading topics and engage with our global community for the latest insight and transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of reserve. Okay guys, my project is ended and Allah Hafiz, take care everyone.